welcome to a CNC Parts and Services parts testing video. Right now we're testing another one of our Rj3Ib controllers, and this one's also equipped with a spot welding tool. I just want to show you that everything is operational and running on it. Also I have eye pendant hooked up to it, and right now I have just a pulse mismatch error. Even when I put my drive in ready mode with a deadman switch, I have those errors. These are actually messages that in my original control, all the encoder values of which are on the motors are different for each axis from the box itself, from this one. So I'm not going to remaster it, because then I'm going to lose my positions on mine, and I'm going to have to remaster mine. But all of the FFSB board is working fine. As you can see, it's communicating fine with the control itself right here. There's no problem. The CPUs are working, memories are working, and actually I'll just restart it right now so you can see all the startup sequence. Just have to wait a minute. Yeah, and right now it's gonna start from 7, and actually take a look at the serial numbers, because I'll go through all the options this control has, and this one actually will put for sale as the whole thing with the software which is mounted or installed on it, and you can actually transfer it to your own control or use this box in your own setup if you don't know how to transfer the software options. And also this one, like you'll see, it's configured with spot welding tool. So actually it's got everything which got spot welding tool or arc welding tool software installed. Also has a mandatory handling tool setup in there. And as you can see right now, it's almost done booting up, and we can see it on the teach pendant. Yes, it's coming up. I'm gonna have to give it one more minute. That's it. Okay, everything is okay. We can release the deadman switch, and these are the good messages for us. And as you can see right now, everything is working nicely. And now I'll actually restart it again one more time, and I'll start it in the maintenance mode, and then we'll go through control start on it, so we can actually see what kind of options are on this control itself. And let's boot it up in a control start. Okay, it's starting up. Now you can actually see what's on it. Now it's just gonna take a minute. It's Rj3Ib. And now I'm gonna go selection. That's it. 3, and I have to go enter. That's it. I started in the control start, and it's going to come up in a spot weld tool software first. After it's going to load all of its libraries, but we go to software version, and then we go software config, so we can actually see what kind of cool and exciting functions are installed with this control. I think this one came off of the Ford factory, so it should be it should have all the bells and whistles, you know, with all the FTP servers, web servers, the eye pendant, regular pendant control, handling tool, all the robot for different arms libraries loaded. Everything should be on it. And maybe if we're lucky, there's a vision software or the AccuPath software installed. The AccuPath, I think, I'm sure it is, you know, and a whole bunch of the nice other cool features. But vision software for a spot welder, it's very rare, because actually it's not needed, you know, not needed function. Only when maybe one of the robots inspects inspect the weld quality, but most of the guys, they don't do that, especially on spot welding. Arc welding, yes, spot welding, no. Okie dokie, let's go to software versions. Okay, and now take a look. Alright, and now let's go to our config, and I just scroll down through all of the options so you can actually see and take a look and jot it down, you know. Okay, let's do it. It's got controller reliable, awesome feature. Robot server, enhanced robot server, that's awesome feature. You can actually do all backups through a robot server software from Fanuc. That's awesome. Mirror shift, mixed logic, beautiful mode switch, multi-equipment, multitasking, multi-application enabler. Awesome, awesome. PC interface, PC send macros, that's beautiful features. And actually you have a robot servo code, so that means you can add extra axis, you know, beyond the 6 axis. And right now it's configured for R2000IA ARM. It's got AccuPath, which has awesome function, and had servo guns and had stopping, error, output full, stick detection, auxiliary servo code. Yeah, that's awesome. Data monitor, pressure control, servo gun. And you can actually go slow through this video and jot down all of the options which are on this control. Wow, it's got 257 features, that's awesome. And Ford customization, cycle corruption. Okay, that's all of them. And now you can see everything is running. It's in good working order. So actually this one is ready to go. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the product and the testing of it. Make notes again of the serial numbers. Also, so actually whatever you see on the video, that's what you will be getting. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we do some good business. Thank you. Bye bye.